Welcome back to this video, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you on how to find green screen free meme and sound effect. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about free stuff like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you come to this particular website right here. So greenscreenmemes.com. Okay, when you get to this particular site, what you want to do next is to make sure you can simply scroll down here and see some of the recently uploaded free meme green screen video right here. So you can see them right here. Okay, you can play them and see if you like them before you can download anything. So you can check them out. Okay, now how you can also find by library and the like. So you can come to the top right here, video library. So under the video library, you see a lot of free meme video green screen that you can download for your next video project. You can simply scroll down and see all the preview, play them and see if they are the one you like. Once you are able to see any one of them you like, simply click on this download button right here, and in a few minutes, the download file is going to be prepared just like this. So click on download. This arrow here means download. Then it will be saved successful to your PC. So you can click on download and the like. You can scroll down and see more memes. So right down here, we have about 1 to 227 pages of free meme that you can simply download and use in your next project. Okay, now you can also use this particular site here to get free sound meme. So for you to get that, just simply navigate to sound library at the bottom right here. Then you're going to see a lot of free sound meme that you can use for your next project. So when you get to this page, simply scroll down. You can play it and see if they are the one you like, or better still, you can use by names right here. If you have any name of the particular sound meme you are looking for, you can also come to the search engine right here, type in the name, then you are going to see the similar result. So once you get to this page, play the preview. If you are satisfied with them, click on this button right here, and simple as that, it's going to be download straight into your PC. It's as simple as that. So I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful and you love to get more free stuff like this, consider to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.